stay right there real quick. I'm on a mega mission, MEGAR, Make Earth Great Again Recycle movement. That is what my movement is all about, to bring awareness to you guys, to the public, of our Earth needing attention more than ever. There is a balance of chemicals that we place on the earth that is detrimental to us all. My mega movement is imploring you guys, the world, to compost more, to be aware of what's happening in the black liner bag, the garbage bag that we all use. The black liner bag, although plastic's been around for 90 years, since the black liner bag's been around, a lot of changes. We are eliminating a lot of life in the ocean because our aftermeal is ending up there in the ocean. And I'm going to get on that, how it gets there a little bit later. But there are a lot of things that leave our table that get into the ocean. How does opioids get into the ocean? Something that being flushed down the toilet, supposedly. Some of it's being thrown in the toilet, to the black liner bag. But however it gets there, those are the kinds of things that we have to fight against. And I'll get on that a little bit later. Go to the back. Just keep on clicking. These are basically just selfies. Go all the way back, go all the way back. These are people that have, endorsed the book, that are believing me and, kind of like work with me. But I want that back, that last page. 54. Let me just click it back. Yeah. I gotta go all the way. These are some important people. I don't have time to tell you who all of them are, but I just want to I want to get to the page where I'm going to just start talking about the next. These are pretty good slides. I'll start the slide over again. Those are principals at the Turlock schools. This is an airline pilot. We got more. That's right. There's a slide in the back that I want to get to, because I'm going to have to cut mine. Because this. Okay, just stop getting slides. So I'm going to just talk about, he gets to, you'll see a page with when I add water, just get to that page. So the aftermeal, I had to go through that first presentation to get to the aftermeal and why it is so important to us all. Water, H2O, 2 hydrogens and oxygen. Water's been on this earth for billions of years. Basically all life stems from it. Our bodies still contain the same amount of salt that's comprised in the ocean, giving us a clue to where we came from. That's the page. Thank you, sir. Water has been here for millions of years, riding on the earth via comet. It came to earth before vegetation was born. It thrives in 3 forms: liquid, solid, and gas. It begot life here on earth. As gas, it powers trains, ships, carbines. As a solid, it can preserve life. As a liquid, it is vital to all life on earth. As a universal solvent, it mixes freely with most all elements. It has the power to corrode all metals, all forms of rocks. But in the black liner bag, in our garbage bag, it unleashes its magical power to mix up all the contents therein and create life if left alone. As it maximizes the contents of pathogens, carcinogens, therein 10 times greater than it was. The bottom of the black liner bags throughout America, after we put so much ice in the form of cups in there, it forms what is called electrotate. Electrotate is a combination of all the elements that we use to cook with. MSG. aspartame, shelf preservatives, shelf food dyes. Most of these things are carcinogens that the FDA has given us approval to use in certain foods because we have to, so many of us, we have to preserve the food so it's not immediately going to waste. Tomorrow, most vegetation would decay in a day if we didn't put these things in it to preserve it. So they are essential. But when they accumulate in the bottom of the black liner bag, they form a lactate. They form an element that no one here can describe. There's no testing done on the bottom of the liquid in the bottom of the black liner bag. It becomes an excitotoxin. If you put your hand in some of the garbage bags, that means that it will kill the cells on your hand immediately. Things that are being created in the bottom of each black liner bag throughout America, it is atrocious that we still use that product. And the problem is ice. Ice is our major conditioner for most of the drinks. Ice, the main conditioner that airlines use. Get on the airline, they're gonna give you a cup full of ice with whatever you're gonna drink and a sandwich. At the end of that 1 hour, they're gonna collect that cup of ice. What if we had the ability to melt ice, recycle ice? In the black liner bag, every restaurant that you go to, you're gonna look at that wall. There's a wall of syrups that are being delivered. I gotta quickly, he says 2 more minutes. There's a wall of syrups that are being delivered to you. Each one of those syrups have to have a cup full of ice. A cup full of ice, even though the cup, very neat product, it's a little thermostat. It keeps the ice cool. It's got a straw in it. At the end of your meal, you get up and you walk away, that cup of ice is still there. We immediately throw it into the black liner bag where the ice melts and it mixes with the paper, the bleach, the ink, aspartame, MSG, all of our waste matter. We could collect a gallon to 2 gallons of liquid in the black liner bag as a result of not opening this cup up, releasing the ice, freeing the ice, taking that straw and putting it into a place where it should be. We're finding straws in our ocean. Why is that? How do straws get in there? Because everything that you put into the kitchen, into the drain, goes to a water treatment facility. We treat our water and hopefully release clean water back into the environment. Water that goes into the black liner bag, it does not get treated. It goes to a dump and then a landfill, and it's already contaminated, which means that we are just throwing our leftovers out into the street. There's no cleaning up of the contaminated part. So you see it on every street corner because no recycling company wants to deal with contaminated product. They want fresh, clean paper experiments to recycle. So our recycling attempt 20 years ago it started. It's failing because we contaminate it immediately. So my product, the water reclamation canister, is a device that simply separates the ice from whatever drink it is. It targets the fluid back into the sewer system where it can get clean. The ice gets remelted to a holding tank where we can urinate it in again or use it for lawn care. Whose bright idea was it to pee in fresh water? It is time to stop that practice. That's why I invented such a product 30 years ago. I've been working on this. Last year I got a patent on that product. I'm trying to bring it to market. I know I should be a Shark Tank telling you all of this, but I can't wait to get to Shark Tank because the mission is so important. I can make a movement and have a change on our environment today by asking us to participate in composting and not throwing that cup of liquid into the black liner bag. We create Iceland every day by making ice and putting it into a cup, and we're throwing it back into the black liner bag that gets thrown onto our street. This is why our oceans and rivers are so polluted. Algae is now red instead of green. We're killing off 7 species a week. we have to put a change to that. And my mission is one I'm hoping that you guys will take to. Spread the word about the black liner bag. We need a second alternative. We're destroying the earth because we don't have the black liner bag to deal with our liquid waste, our matter. We need liquid receptors to accept this. There's great water that can be used again. We should use that to pee in and put it on the lawn instead of having fresh water there. My name is Edward Jones. I'm so glad I didn't get an egg thrown at me. You guys paid attention. I'm so happy. Thank you for listening to me.
So, as you see, Edward Jones is very passionate what he's talking about. So he will be available after our meeting. If you have any other further questions you want to ask him. But on behalf of Branch 144, we would like to present you the certificate of appreciation, talking about being recycling, environmentalist, and inventor. Thank you very much. All right, let's get one more hand.
Thank you very much again. A couple items of work, if you don't mind, just leaving a couple dollars on the tables for our servers, that would be appreciated.